Hi students, I'm your Manjumis, and in this class I'm going to explain the part 2 of informatics. And in part 1 I have already given you an introduction about informatics, the relevance of informatics to literature, students, etc. And after that, now I want to give some more detailed explanations about that topic. So, going on, in the next section, we can see the different types of computers. Though you are already familiar, and these types of computers, they were classified as microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe, and supercomputers based on size, processing speed, and cost. So based on these things, computers are classified as microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe, and supercomputers. And at present, the classification is according to mode of use as personal computers. They are workstation, desktop computers, laptop PC, tablet PC, Nettop, netbook, pocket PC, etc. And let us see what is workstation and desktop computer. A workstation computer. It is a special computer designed for technical or scientific applications, intended primarily to be used by one person at a time. They are commonly connected to a local area network and run multi-user operating systems. And a desktop. It is any computer that can be fit on top of a table or a desk. That's why it's called as desktop. This was a differentiate against the older and bigger computers. And a workstation is a term used for high-end computers that are used for scientific or any other heavy usage application. And what is the difference between a laptop and Nettop? A laptop is usually small, known as notebook computer, and it is portable and it replaces desktop, and it is engineered to operate in tough environment such as wet, dusty, etc. And Nettop, it is small, inexpensive, low wattage desktop computer, and it is designed for basic tasks like surfing internet, accessing web-based application, document processing, audio and video play. And what is the difference between netbook PC and tablet PC? Netbook, that is netbook PC, personal computer, they are usually small, light and inexpensive. It is less powerful hardware, more shock resistant, low weight and low cost, smaller screens and keyboard. And tablet PC, which you all are familiar. It refers to slate or tablet shaped with touch screen and capacitive contact technology, and it has palm recognition, and I have given What is palm recognition? When the palm is closed to the camera will first activate the palm recognition process to identify whether it is an actual palm. If the nearing object is not a palm, it will stop any further recognition process. If the nearing object is a palm, it will pass it to the next step. That is palm recognition. And it is multi-touch capabilities. And these are the images of different types of computers such as Nettop PC, netbook PC, hybrids, convertible type tablets, etc. So be familiar with all these images. And another type of computers known as convertibles. And what is a convertible? It is a Windows laptop computer that can be switched to a tablet style. It is also called a two-in-one. The screen folds back all the way round, turning the machine into a rectangular slate. Because the keyboard is still attached, convertibles are heavier and thicker than regular tablets without keyboards. And the next type are hybrids. It shares the features of slate and convertibles. So that is hybrid. By using detachable keyboard. So keyboards are detachable, which operate in similar fashion to a convertible when attached. And the next, almost all are familiar, that is mobile devices. It's also known as palm top. Input and output combined to touch screen interface designed for too many applications. And first two mobile devices are personal digital assistant, pocket PC. And now we see another type of computer, that are mainframe computer. Is used by large organization for bulk data processing. Multiple operating system. Mainframe can add or hot swap. What is hot swap? It is replacement or addition of components to a computer system without stopping or shutting down. Very high volume input and output and emphasizes throughout computing. And what is throughput? It refers to how much data can be transferred from one location to another in a given amount of time. And mainframe ROI, that is return on investment. ROI, it is return on investment. It is a performance measure used to evaluate the efficiency, and this is dependent on its ability for performing risk adjusted cost factors, etc. And the next point, execution integrity characteristic for fault tolerant computing. What is fault tolerant computing or fault tolerance? It is a property that enable a system to continue operating properly in the event of failure. And the last one is supercomputer. It is in the front line of current speed capacity. can process billions of instructions per second. Very expensive, used for weather forecasting, nuclear energy research, etc. Cray Jaguar is the fastest supercomputer in the world. They can perform many tasks in parallel. So these are the different types of computers which is in your book informatics. So kindly go through the text. Thank you.